The oil life monitor in your 2019-2021 Jeep Wrangler tracks oil degradation based on driving conditions and mileage, estimating when an oil change is needed. Resetting it after a DIY oil change recalibrates the system for accurate alerts. To access the reset feature, ensure your Jeep is in park with the engine off, but the ignition is in the on position. Navigate to Vehicle Info or Settings through the menu button on your steering wheel or touchscreen. Then find Maintenance or Oil Life within those menus. This system helps maintain accurate service intervals and prevent unnecessary maintenance. Once you've accessed the Oil Life menu, select Reset Oil Life and confirm the action. You might need to hold a button or scroll through options to confirm. After resetting, drive a short distance to allow the system to recalibrate and verify that the oil life displays as 100%. Note that eco-diesel models may require slightly different steps. Always reset the monitor after an oil change to maintain engine health. Failing to do so can lead to inaccurate warnings. While apps like Alpha OBD offer wireless resets, using the vehicle's built-in system is recommended to avoid potential warranty issues. Consult your Jeep's manual for specific instructions.